my favorite Vscode commands, shortcuts on Mac. So here I have most common Vscode commands which I frequently use in my daily development. So first is toggle panel. So you can see here this panel, terminal, debug console, output, problems. So how can we toggle this? So there's a command J in Mac. Just type command J, it went out, it came, then command J went. So we can toggle this panel using command J. So this is very useful. Uh, Again, command J, toggle. Second command is command B. We can also toggle this side panel using command B. So command B and command J. Next is search files. So uh, here you can see uh, I have 5-6 files, but let's say if there are many files, then how can we search that? So we can search just command P and type anything here, just like app. So this enter and this file came. Again readme, enter, and this file came. So it is also very useful in daily development. Next is command A. This is very important, guys. So let's say if there's a large file and I want to edit this command. So just put command D. I can put enter, then again I can type anything and again typing command here. So it is also very useful. So just add next occurrence here, something like that. How can we comment this? So so as we know, there are different comment symbols in CSS, HTML, JavaScript, in other language. So we need not to remember this. Just type command /. It will auto comment your code, whether it is in CSS, JavaScript, or in any language. Again, type control /, and it's done. Next useful command is split screen. So how can we split our screen? So first I am just removing this panel. So how can we do this? Command J, then side panel, command B. Okay, then let me split this screen in two parts. So we can use split screen. It's done. So it is also very important in case we want to compare two files or something like other stuff. Okay, then I'm going to delete this one. Command W. Again, command B, toggle side panel. Then there's another command palette. So command P here and command shift P, these both are very important. So command shift P will open the command palette, and here we can do anything we want. We can fold, go to lines, images, or anything we can do here. So let's say what do you want to add cursor blue. So it will add cursor blue. So like this stuff. So here we can find all commands. So this is very useful. Other thing is explorer. So this is our explorer. So let's say I've been done command B, it's print, then command shift E will open it. So command shift E always open our explorer. Second is this tab, search tab. If I want to open this search tab, so command shift F. Okay, so it will open. So this is also frequently used by me. So command shift E, command shift F, and then this is very frequently used. Search all occurrence and remove. Let's say if there's a file, this one, and I want to just make all command to be, want to change all command in this file. So select all occurrence. Just put and put command shift L. Okay. So obviously, you can see these commands are named wrong here. So let me correct this. So we put command shift L and just put delete and just put co command. Okay, so it's command or command. Okay, so let's go ahead. Then how can we remove line? So let's say, let me copy one line here. Alt, this one, Alt Shift. So this. So now I want to remove this line. So just put Command Shift K, Command Shift K. So the so it will remove our lines. So this is also very useful. Command Shift K, Command Shift L. So actually there are other commands also, but these one is control backtick. So what backtick is we can open our terminal. We can also open our this panel from Command J. But in this terminal, there are many things: debug, output, problems. So let's say there's this problem, and I put Command J, Command J. It will always open the problem. Okay, but I want to open terminal, so just put Command Control backslash, and it will open your terminal. Next command is go back. So I can put control this one. So before I was in this file, before it I was here. So it will always give you last edited item. Okay, this is also very useful for me. Control R is last command in the terminal. So let's say we are in terminal and I want to search my last command here. So just put control R and git. So this is my command. Okay, so we can search here anything, search our commands. So control R is also very important. Here also very important, control R. So we can switch over the workspace here. Next thing is go to line. So let's say I want to go on line number 3000 or 4000 if it is a large file, but here it is a small file. So let's say I want to, so I just put control G and line number 2. It's done. So it is very healthy. There's an error and I want to quickly want to go in that line. So it is also very healthy to go to in that line. So split our window, just back control backslash will sorry, this is actually command, not control. uh, this is so this is command, not control. So command backslash will split into multiple windows. Okay, so command W and just removing that file. Another important is if I want to switch between these tabs, we can also search file using command P, but let's say if there are many files, so how can we search that one? Switch. So this is basically between the switch tabs. How can we switch between the tabs? So command T. So we can also switch frequently between two tabs, last tab and current tab. Next is very important, uh, move line up or down. So let's say this line is I want to move at the second last position. So how can we do this? So just put alt and up arrow, alt up arrow, and it's going to be up, and down arrow it's going to be down. So it's also very important during the development, putting alt up and down. Okay, so I think I've been not discussed this one. Control W. So control W is we can also open files in our workspace. So this is basically opening files in workspace, and this control R is like opening a repo in different repos. So we can open different repos to be here. So these are my repos, so I can open. Okay. Uh, so this is also very important. Control R and control W. So just put control W and we can open files in other workspace. Last open file in other workspace. So we can easily switch between files in other workspace. And if I want to go in other workspace, then it is control R basically. Okay, so next is add multiple cursor. It is very important. So how can we add multiple cursor? Let's say we are here and I want to add multiple cursor. So just put alt command and down this. And let's say I want to put semicolon, just semicolon. So this is also very healthy. Uh, we can use frequently to be add multiple cursors. How can we copy lines? So let's say during the development we frequently copy our code. So just copy lines, so alt shift up and down. So it's okay, we can delete this one from command shift K. So you can keep practice find these commands. You need not to write. Okay, so I have been given the link in the description. You can find here.